him and I'm back to here. I'm back to Halo 4.
Tell me about the children.
Interesting.
Dr. Halsey.
It's been a while since I've been here.
You already know everything.
You kidnapped them.
Children's minds are more easily accepting of indoctrination. Their bodies more adaptable to augmentation. The result was the ultimate soldier. And because of our success, when the Covenant invaded, we were ready.
Dr. Halsey, you're bending history for your own favor, and you know it. You developed the Spartans to crush human rebellion, not to fight the Covenant.
When one human world after another fell, when my Spartans were all that stood between humanity and extinction, nobody was concerned about why they were originally built.
So you feel in the end your choices were justified.
My work saved the human race.
Do you think the Spartans' lack of basic humanity helped?
What are you after? The others before you were naval intelligence, but you're something else.
Records show Spartans routinely exhibited mildly sociopathic tendencies, difficulty with socialization, and verbalization.
The records show efficient behavior operating in hazardous situations. I supplied the tools to maintain that efficiency.
Do you believe the Master Chief succeeded because he was, at his core, broken?
What does John have to do with this? You want to replace him?
The Master Chief is dead.
His file reads missing in action.
Catherine. Spartans never die.
Your mistake is seeing Spartans as military hardware. My Spartans are humanity's next step. Our destiny as a species. Do not underestimate them. But most of all, do not underestimate him.
Yeah. Alright. Adrift. In space. Oh man. Alright. Time to wake up. Cortana, let's get back to action.
Wake up, Chief. I need you.
Alright.
You've been out for a while. Hang on. Bringing your systems online now. I rewrote your ship's firmware while you were out.
You've been busy.
Activating the ship's gravity generator. Chief, look up. You need to
Alright.
manual release.
Alright.
Seems like old times.
Ready to get back to work?
I thought you'd never ask.
Why did you wake me?
Oh,
We've got
this
intrusion alerts lighting up
pistol.
on multiple decks.
I don't know, it seems a
Our
bit
best bet to
different.
figure out who's boarding us is the observation deck, 4 floors up.
Could it be a rescue team?
Wouldn't bet on it.
I don't think this was a pistol type here. So things are
4
different.
years, 7 months, 10 days.
Somebody should have found us by now.
Alright.
Chief, be careful!
Oh man. Oh, lovely. Oh god. Damn nerd. Oh god. Hi. Go down.
I thought we had a truce with the Covenant.
A lot can happen in 4 years. Either
That
way, he's
man
probably
was
not alone. We should
purple.
be careful.
Oh, red. Hey, and they are orange. They're back to normal. Like color. And red instead of
Find
green.
the override for the blast shield so we can see what we're up against.
Okay. I'm getting the sort of feeling of this. It's gonna be more like standard. Trying to make things look more like how they used to look.
I'm sorry, did I miss orbiting a Forerunner planet at some point?
One thing at a time.
Alright,
Landing
time
craft flanking
to...
us.
Oh,
Get ready!
that definitely purple. Ow! Oh man. Alright. And you're blue. Alright.
We need to get off this ship.
We've got bigger problems. We've got a cruiser
I
on an intercept
have
course.
these already.
Are any of the ship-to-ship defenses online?
Yes, but since the ship was torn in half, we can't access the weapon stations. We'll have to fire them manually from the outer hull.
Alright. Let's head down the elevator. Ah, the door behind me is going to open. Alright. Hello. Alright. Hello.
Those ships are
Alright.
Good is a generous word, especially since we've got a cruiser heading our way that will blow us out of the sky long before that.
Yeah. That cruiser will blow us out. Oh, shotgun. Wait a second. No, is it the same one? Oh, is this... Oh, it is. Oh, I missed you. Oh, I
these
missed
covenants seem more
you.
fanatical than the ones we fought before.
Come and fight me. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, let's go. Oh, the best shotgun ever. Oh, I've got to thank Michael for the scientists who worked on this one and the previous ones. Michael, I want to say a big thank you to you on the scientists that have been working on these
We're just about there.
simulations.
The auxiliary launch station should be to your left. out of
Yeah,
the
it's
airlocks.
fine, Jimmy.
You'll have to prime the launch for ignition.
Cortana,
It's nothing. Just get to the launch station.
Oh, bow rifle, nice. Now I've got a true combo. Oh man. Thanks again, Michael. That's alright, Jimmy. Good luck with the sim. Yeah. Oh man.
There's the launch station.
Yeah, I know how this goes. I'm gonna have to get over there.
Hey, the blast door's jammed. The missile won't fire until it's cleared.
Uh-oh. Alright. And... boom.
Chief? So, now can we worry about the giant metal planet?
Alright. Yeah. Yeah, we can.
We need to get to the escape pod. It's using a gravity well to pull us inside the surface. We've got to hurry. The second we cross the dome's event horizon, its atmosphere is going to tear us apart.
Oh, man. happened to... I can't change to my shotgun. That doesn't matter. Oh god.
Hold on!
Oh no.
I caught him in a gravity well.
Can you track the escape pods?
Negative.
Oh god.
Chief, watch out!